Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here 13 mockup pack for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, here 4 different Bifold voucher mockup in PSD. I know you know how to edit or customize in Photoshop, so I don't need to open Photoshop. Glass bottle mockup. Okay, iMac. Here, pack vantage food truck mockup. Pill bottles. Pizza delivery bag mockup. And here, plastic carrier bag. T-shirt mockup in PSD. And here, poster mockup. Here, pouch and coffee cup. All files are PSD for Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love it.